Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Pad 6 and let me share with you how to soft reset this device. So the soft reset operation will be useful if for some reason the device stopped working properly. So for example, it does not respond to your touches and it freezed. So all we have to do in order to do that is to press the power button, which is in this configuration on the left side, and press it long enough until you will see the black screen and the developer's logo. So let me try to do it. Let me press the button. Let's ignore the assistant. And let's ignore this reboot option. Let's pretend that we cannot tap on it. And as you can see, we've got the black screen. Right now we've got the developer's logo, which simply means that your device will be restarted in a while and hopefully will work properly again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful. And if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.